Right now in your pocket there is a blue icon. You probably use it to follow the news, chat with friends, or join a crypto group. But if you click the wrong link, if you know which ghost channels to join, that app transforms. It becomes the world's largest open-air market for illegal goods. We were told that to find the dark web, we needed special browsers, encrypted tunnels, and a degree in computer science. We were told the bad guys lived in hidden forums in the corners of the internet. They lied. The dark web didn't go away. Moved. It migrated to an app with 900 million users. A place where your social security number is worth less than a Starbucks latte, and a ghost identity that can bypass any bank security is just a $500 transaction away. I don't need to hack you. I just need to buy you. Everything you are is already in my Telegram folder. Today we are going inside the Telegram underground. We're going to see the shadow stock market, meet the digital ghosts who can steal your life in minutes, and answer the most terrifying question of 2026. In an era of unbreakable privacy, who is actually protecting you? To understand how we got here, we have to understand why the dark web is dying. For a decade, the FBI played a game of whack-a-mole with dark web markets. Silk Road, Hansa, Hydra, one by one they fell. But criminals are like any other business. They hate friction. They hate the fact that Tor is slow. They hate that their customers have to download special software. Enter Telegram. The question: what if you could run a criminal empire with the same ease as a pizza delivery app? Telegram's founder, Pavel Durov, built the app on a single noble principle: unbreakable privacy. In a world of government surveillance, Telegram was supposed to be the last fortress of free speech. But that fortress has no gatekeeper. This is the accessibility paradox. The same encryption that protects activists in a dictatorship also protects the man selling a fresh batch of 10,000 American credit card numbers. On Telegram there is no dark web. There is only the underground. And the entrance is a simple invite link. Let's look at the stock. In the underground, the most valuable commodity isn't drugs or weapons. It's fools. What is a fool? It's a complete set of your identity data. Your name, your date of birth, your social security number, your address, your mother's maiden name. On Telegram, a fool, for a US citizen with a high credit score, costs exactly $15. Suspense, think about that. Every sacrifice you've made to build your credit, every bill paid on time, every hour worked, it's all being traded for the price of a movie ticket. Item. Price. Purpose. Hack Netflix. $1.50. Resale/passive income. US bank login. $45. Wire fraud/drainers. Scan passport. $60. Identity theft/bypass. Ghost bank account. $800. Money laundering. But how do they know the seller isn't a scammer? Even thieves need trust. Telegram markets use escrow bots. When you buy a stolen ID, the money doesn't go to the seller. It goes into a bot. Only when you confirm the ID works does the bot release the crypto to the seller. It's honor among thieves, automated by code. They have created a more efficient commerce system than most legitimate startups. This is the most dangerous part of the Telegram underground. In 2026, most banks and government agencies use video verification. You hold up your ID, you smile for the camera, and you're in. The underground has a solution for that: the ghost identity. For $500, a specialist on Telegram will provide you with a high-resolution scan of a stolen passport and a deepfake suite. Story: last year, a 22-year-old hacker in Eastern Europe used a Telegram ghost identity to bypass the Know Your Customer (KYC) check on a major crypto exchange. He didn't use his own face. He used an AI-generated mask mapped onto the stolen ID of a man from Ohio. The exchange's AI looked at the hacker's deepfake face and saw the man from Ohio. It granted access. Within 10 minutes, $200,000 in Bitcoin was drained into a mixer. The man from Ohio didn't even know his ID was stolen until he tried to file his taxes. The question: if your face can be faked and your ID can be bought for $60, who are you? In the digital world, your personhood is failing. On Telegram, they don't just steal your money. They wear your life like a costume. In August 2024, the world watched as Pavel Durov was arrested in France. The charges? Complicity in allowing crime to flourish on his platform. The world thought this would be the end of the Telegram underground. They thought the whack-a-mole game had finally reached the source. They were wrong. Telegram isn't a company like Meta or Google. It's a distributed network. When a channel with 100,000 carders gets shut down, a backup channel, is launched within seconds. The members already have the link. This is the Hydra problem. You can cut off the head, but 3 more grow back. The underground is now so decentralized that no single government can stop it. Even as Durov faced trial, the shadow stock market never missed a beat. Prices for stolen IDs actually went up because the risk had increased. The market adjusted. The criminals didn't run, they just became more expensive. So where does this leave you? The Telegram underground is a reality of 2026. Your data, your fools, is likely already sitting in a database in a Russian or North Korean Telegram channel. You cannot hide anymore. You have to defend. Freeze your credit. If your credit is frozen, even a ghost identity cannot open a new loan in your name. Use hardware 2FA. SMS codes are useless. Telegram scammers use SIM swapping bots to steal your codes in real time. Use a physical key like a YubiKey. Assume you are compromised. If you treat your digital identity like a target, you'll be much harder to hit. Have you ever seen something off on Telegram? A group that looked a little too professional? A message that felt like a trap? Tell your story in the comments. We need to map this underground together. And if you want to know how the FBI is fighting back with their own infiltrator bots, watch this video next. Cybercrime on Telegram RD.TV Documentary 48X. Stay vigilant. The app in your pocket is a gateway. Make sure you're the one holding the key.